So next one is your embedded system. So in today's era, the consumer wants that their product should be intelligent enough, right? That is why embedded software came into picture. So basically, we are designing the softwares which is having some control system, right? We are designing some softwares which is already having control system, and that control system is almost all based on read-only memory. Correct? So that is why I have explained in few points. First is your intelligent product. That means consumer needs intelligent products, right? Say for example, suppose you are using Android mobile. You want that your face should be recognized. The concept of face recognition must be there in your mobile. So likewise, the product is there, but we want that product should be intelligently behaves, right? For that reason only, we have to embed some control system in the software, and that is why special type of software is known as your embedded software. Embedded means what? Control system has been introduced in the software, right? So next point is your read-only memory, which is use the control system, right? Next, I have taken some examples. Suppose for the simple example, keypad control is very important for microwave oven, right? Keyboard control is very important for microwave oven. We can take so many examples of keypad control. Say for example, like if you want to take photocopy through the photocopy machine, so you have to put some instruction, and those instructions should be given by your keypad only, right? And according to those instructions, suppose you want to take 50 photocopies or 100 photocopies, it will print out as per your given instruction. So these types of softwares are known as your embedded softwares, right? Next one is known as your PC software. What is PC software? It is used for personal computer software to enhance your technical skills or to enhance your computer knowledge, right? How these softwares are used? By using word processing. Word processing means in MS Office, you may use MS Word. So that is your word processing. Spreadsheet, like your MS Excel, right? Multimedia. Multimedia nowadays is playing an important role in PC software for animations and all that, right? Graphics is also a subset of your multimedia only, right? Okay, after that, if you are having a very good knowledge of graphics and multimedia, so you can create your own software such as for entertainment. That is very important. And last but not least, I will end about this PC software with a database application. Very important. See, nowadays days, without database application, the software is I should say it is incomplete. So we should also have to have the concept of database application in almost all the areas of the these type of softwares.